Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a lot in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you will be needing to do is to first open up your project. And basically, you can do that by just going to File, New Project, and basically you can create a new project. Then you would be needing like to import your media and stuff. And basically you can go to projects media, add media here, or you can use some stock footage like the stock media that you can find here, etc. And I'm just going to add this one here, and let's just keep like that. And basically this is it. Now whenever you are selecting an object in Filmora, you will have like uh, a property panel that will be showing or that appears. And basically the one that we are interested in is not a video, and basically here you can add like masks, AI tools, etc. But are not interested on that now. And basically the one that we want is to have colors. So basically in the color you will find like the basic issue cell, the curves and the color watches, etc. So now here you will find the LUTs. So basically you will be able like to disable and enable a LUT. Now you can have like your own the presets or the default presets, or you can add your own. So basically here you can go to any folder where you have your own LUTs, and basically you will need just to add your own .cube files that has the light configuration. As you can see, you will find it here that will be added, and now you can apply them to your video. And of course you can also change like the strength of this LUT, and also you can like keyframe this LUT, like either you want to have a LUT only into some kind parts of the video, and basically you would have them here, and then you won't have the LUT for example here. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.